Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You want a copy of your financial data from Empower? Here's how to export it safely. I'm going to show you exactly how to export your data for privacy or backup purposes. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into Empower. So go ahead and sign into your Empower dashboard on desktop for full access, or you can just sign into the mobile app version. Next is to go to settings. Now just click on your profile icon and then select profile and security. Next, you're going to request data export. So scroll down to data management and then choose the export data option. Now you're going to select format. So pick the available formats, usually CSV or Excel, and then just confirm your selection. Once that's done, the final step is to download and store securely. Download your file and then save it in a secure location or encrypted drive. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.